Hi, today I'm for the Huawei MatePad SE and I'll show you how to change lock screen wallpaper on this device. So first we should open the settings application and then tap the home screen and wallpaper, then click the wallpaper section, and here we can select our new wallpaper from device gallery, previously taken photos on our device camera or downloaded from the internet. Also we can use our default wallpapers, and we can also use more wallpapers, the online wallpapers. But to use them you should be connected to the Wi-Fi or just to mobile data. So let's use one from these available wallpapers. Tap to apply and select lock screen. After that, just let's lock the device, and we can see that we just successfully changed it. Also, we get one more way how we can do that. Just we should first hold for a while empty space on our home screen, then click to change wallpaper, and here we can select also our new wallpaper. For example, let's use one from our photo taken on our device camera. Click here, select wallpapers, and tap to lock screen only. Wallpaper set successfully, so let's just check it. And as you can see, that's so simple. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.